Hey everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices, one topic or one feature at a time. In today's video, we will take a look at how you're able to block spam or scam callers, and this is using a unlocked Samsung Galaxy device. It has the AT&T SIM card on the inside, and I'm also using the normal default stock phone application. So I'm not using Google Phone or anything like that. But if mine looks slightly different, it could be because mine is a unlocked device with AT&T. So if you have a different carrier, it might be slightly different, but it could be the exact same. Now, once you go inside of your phone dialing application, the top right-hand side, tap those three dots, and then you go inside of settings. Now, there's a couple different settings in here you can take a look at. You have block numbers, and you have caller ID and spam protection. Now, when you go through and you tick this one on, and then you block those spam and scam calls, by default, it goes to the option down here, which is only the high-risk scam calls. So sometimes you may get a call from somebody you don't know, and it could be spam, and it's going to ring once, and then it's just blocked. Or sometimes they're going to keep on ringing because they have a phone number that is similar to yours that could be correct when really it is not. So I'm going to choose this option here, which is block all spam and scam calls. So then this way, hopefully all of them will be blocked. Now, here's the thing that I like about my device here is that I have a old phone number. This is a phone number from back when I was in Iowa. I live in Kansas. And so anytime that I see a Iowa number, I know for a fact 100% it is scam or spam. I don't know anybody in Iowa that I don't already have saved in my phone. So because I'm in a different state and I see an Iowa number come up, I automatically know that it's a spam or scam call because it is nothing local or near me. So this is where you can see your entire list. You can scroll down and take a look at all these numbers that are being blocked. You can also unblock a few of them if you find out later that they are actually, a real number. You can add in phone numbers if you would like to block them. So this is just underneath the normal category of blocking. So if there's somebody you like to block, you can. Anybody who was recent, you can check out your recent calls. You can block those numbers. You can go through your contacts and you could block somebody that's in your contacts. But this is where you can also go back to that screen where we were just into. So when you take a look at both of these options right there, when you look here, this is that screen. When you take a look at your block numbers, this is the screen. You can also go back into that one just by tapping there. So at least when it comes down over into blocking numbers, you can go into both categories. But that is everything I wanted to share in today's video. So then this way, anytime that you get a spam call or spam or anything like that, hopefully it'll be blocked from there. And I guess one last thing I also want to show off is when you go inside of your settings, maybe you don't know exactly who all is calling because your display is too small. So this one, I have the small pop-up. But if you're using mini, you might only just see the number and then the answer or decline. This option here and that option will let you know if it is suspected spam. So you might as well go with that small pop-up so then you can get a little bit more details. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully this has helped you guys out. If it did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul.